In this video we will talk about 7 tricks to make girls chase you, so without wasting any time let's start today's video. But before that, if you are new to my channel then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel folks. So, here are 7 tricks to make girls chase you. 1. Be confident. Confidence is key when it comes to making girls chase you. Show her that you are comfortable in your own skin and that you know what you want. 2. Be mysterious. Don't give away too much information about yourself right away. Keep her guessing and she will be more likely to be intrigued by you. 3. Be charming. Charm her with your wit and humor, but don't overdo it. A little bit of charm goes a long way in making a girl want you bad. 4. Be respectful. Show her respect and she will be more likely to reciprocate the feeling. Treat her like an equal and she will appreciate it more than anything else. 5. Make her feel special. Make her feel like she is the only one in the room and that you are interested in getting to know her better. Compliment her, make eye contact, and show genuine interest in what she has to say. 6. Be passionate. Show her that you have a passion for something in life, whether it's music, art, sports, or something else entirely. This will show her that you have ambition and drive, which will make her want to be around you more often. 7. Be yourself. Don't try to be someone else just to impress a girl. Be yourself and let your true personality shine through. Girls love guys who are genuine and authentic, so don't try to be someone else just to get their attention. If you like this sort of psychological facts about human behavior, then share it with your friends.